Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making caramelized onion beef stew in the Ninja Foodi. Alright guys, I have my Ninja Foodi set on saute medium setting. And this is a slow cooker recipe I'm modifying for the Ninja Foodi. You could probably do it in a pressure cooker as well. I'm going to start out by adding a little bit of olive oil on the bottom of the Foodi. Probably about 3 tablespoons. And I have 4 large onions I sliced thin. We're going to get them in here and we're going to start these caramelizing. I have my other onion over here, won't fit on the plate. And I'm also going to add in about 2 teaspoons of sugar. I'll do that off camera. And what that's going to do, that's going to speed up the caramelization process. I'll add my sugar in once the onions start to turn translucent and get soft. Once my onions are all translucent and caramelized, I'll bring you guys back. Okay guys, now that my onions are all caramelized, and that's not a fast process, it took about a half hour to get into this point. I turned my heat off. I had to bump it up to saute medium high. You want to keep an eye on it, you don't want to walk away. Now that they're caramelized like that, I have a 2-pound London broil roast I cut into cubes, bite-sized pieces. I'm going to get that down in there. And I have 4 carrots and 4 parsnips I cut in bite-sized pieces. I'm also going to add in a pack of onion soup mix. I'm going to add in 4 cups of beef broth. Just want to get it down in there. Okay. Now I'm going to add in about a half a teaspoon of pepper. And I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of Mrs. Dash, or not Mrs. Dash, accent. And for you people who don't know what this is monosodium glutamate. It has a bad rap, but it's really not that bad for you. It's better for you than salt, and it really gives your food a unique, delicious flavor. Okay, and I have some fresh thyme here. Dry thyme will do well also, but I happen to have some fresh. I'm just going to put a couple sprigs in there, but I'll pull them out for a minute because I want to stir this first, and we want to keep these on top to pull them out. I'm going to give that a stir quick. Get everything mixed together in there. And if I need to add a little more Mrs. Dash, a little more accent when this is done, I'll add a little more in, but I don't want to put too much in at first. Okay, now I'm going to throw a few sprigs of thyme in there. Let me get my pressure cooker lid. I should have had that on hand, guys. Okay, I'm going to put my pressure cooker lid on here. Make sure I'm set on seal. And I'm going to set this pressure cook on high for 10 minutes. When my 10 minutes are up, I'll do a quick release of the pressure, and then I'll bring you guys back. Okay guys, now that my time's up and I did that quick release of the pressure, I pulled out them thyme sprigs and I tasted it for seasoning. I put a little more accent in. Now I set it on saute high and it's coming up to a boil. I'm going to dump in about a half a cup of frozen peas, and I'm just eyeballing this, guys. If I go over here, that's fine because I love peas. I'm going to stir them down in there. Put my leftover peas back in the freezer. Okay, now I have a cornstarch slurry I made here. It's roughly about a quarter of a cup of cornstarch and about a quarter of a cup of water. I'm just going to stir this down in here. What we're going to do is we're going to allow this to come to a boil and thicken up. It shouldn't take long. And as you can see, guys, this is looking good already. It'll be even better when it starts to thicken up. So once it's thickened up and ready to go, I'll bring you guys back. Okay, guys, this only went for about 2 or 3 minutes. It's nice and thickened up, as you can see. My peas are heated through. They're going to have a nice little snap to them. That's the way I want them. If you want your peas a little more done, you can let it just simmer away here a little longer. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a bowl and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. Dexter, I'm doing a video here, alright? I'm doing a video. Try a piece of this beef, guys. Hot. Super tender. As you can see, my vegetables, they're going to be tender, but they're not mushed. They held their shape. Try a little bit of carrot. That's really good, guys. It has a beefy flavor from the beef broth, the onion soup mix, and then you get a sweetness from the caramelized onions in there. They naturally put out their sugars and add that little bit of sugar in there. That's a really good, well-balanced stew, guys. It's really delicious. Alright, there you have it. Caramelized onion beef stew in Ninja Foodi. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.